I co-founded a women's development basketball league. Yes, it's true. It's so strange for me to say that, but it's true. And I wanted to tell you more about it because the cool thing is if you're watching this weekend, August 10th and 11th, you will be able to watch our first invitational, our first big tournament with people from all over Europe and South America and Middle America, Central America, sorry, Central America, competing for a $50,000 prize. It's happening right now. Now, if you're watching this after that, don't worry, there's still a way for you to participate. But I wanted to tell you how you can see it right now. So, first of all, I'll put the link in the description below. If you're on YouTube and if you're on Instagrams elsewhere, I'll put the link in my bio or in the post for you to watch it live. It is happening in Dallas and Frisco, specifically at the Dallas Cowboys Star location, which is so, so cool. We worked with the Mavericks yesterday at their training camp for the youth on Friday, and we had a youth kind of workshop. And then this weekend, this is happening. So I'm watching it live streamed. So excited for the team who is there. They're on the ground. But let me tell you a little bit about it just really quickly. It's a 3x3 women's basketball. So I'll show a little bit about what this is because I didn't know anything about this before I started. First, this article is about it. It tells how I didn't know it. What I was doing was I was looking at WNBA teams, so women's basketball teams, pro basketball teams for the past, 3 years, because I wanted to invest in one. I wanted to be a co-owner of one. There are not a lot of Black women who are. There are a few, but they're not a lot. And so I wanted to be one. And I talked to a lot of teams, and it was really fun and interesting, but nothing really came together the way I wanted it to. And at the same time, I was working with my friend Alana, who was an entrepreneur and also was working at the Seattle Storm, the WNBA team. And she, for 5 years, had been plugging away at this 3x3 league that she wanted to develop to be a bridge between like college star basketball players and the WNBA because there's only so few spots on those rosters. And those college age students, some of them are stars. They have, they're just killing it. But where do they go if they don't get into the pro league? So there's this development phase. There's also the Olympics. You've seen it with the Olympics recently. There's a 3x3 tournament that's happening there, competition, and we want to develop more and more people to go to that. So if you see here, this is just a great example of the Olympics, but this is our article, and then this is my quote talking about it. You can pause this and read it, but it really is something that has just been so exciting. And then if right now what's happening in Dallas, well, this shows the co-founders. This is Alana. She's the one I told you about. She's the foremost expert in the whole country of this entire format for women's 3x3. So it's 3 times 3 people playing each other. It's very different than 5-on-5 that you see in the NBA or WNBA. You have to learn it in a different way. So you can't just take a 5-by-5 person and just put them into this. They have to train. And so we had training all week in Dallas. And people have been training for this for their lives, right? It's just really, really interesting. Then you have Holly Anderson Laveau, who is a great friend of mine, has been a big supporter of Backstage Capital, was also my co-founder at Your First Million Live, and her whole thing is she wants to see women and young girls thrive. Obviously, she wants to do that because it just affects everyone in a positive way. And then I brought everybody together, and it's just so exciting. So right now, what's happening in Dallas is, let's see. Oh, I guess it was showing something different when I showed you that, but that's good because I wanted you to see this prize pool. I wanted you to see that we're doing this $50,000 prize pool right now. So go to the link right now to watch it. You can just in this video right now and watch it and come back to this to learn more, or you can watch it at the same time because it's for several hours this weekend. I'm going to be doing that. And then I wanted to show you because I was talking about it. Let me actually show you that page. Okay, that's the page I was looking for. So this is where it's Alana, and this is Holly, and this is me. And you can always pause these pages if you wanted to read a little bit more into it. Um, but this is just, it's been so, so exciting. Just a real thrill. And if you want to, you can go to, like, if you're watching this after the tournament, or if you just in general want to learn more, you can go to our Instagram, which is the THE 3XBA. So we are the 3X Basketball Association. So the THE 3XBA. That's how you go. That's how you see us. You keep in touch with us on Instagram. We also have a website, 3XBA on our website is there, and that's going to have more and more stuff over the years. So depending on when you're watching this, we may be very, very developed and very much so something that you know about. But if you're watching this weekend, you are experiencing the very first tournament invitational that we're putting on. And I'm so look, I want to say this. I'm so grateful to the Dallas Cowboys and the Dallas Mavericks for being incredibly amazing to us. Dallas is my hometown. I've worked with Mark Cuban. I have a joint venture with Mark Cuban. I'm so grateful. But this is really their teams. This is really the Cowboys coming together because they know the work that Alana and our COO Lakin have done in the past. And the Mavericks, bringing them together, I was able to make that introduction so that they can work together on their youth programs because that's so important to this 3XBA league. And then the biggest, biggest, biggest deal that I want everyone to know, and she will never say this, but I'm going to say it. Two things. One is that Alana has put everything into this league, and I am so grateful that she gets to shine right now because she's been working on this in the shadows, pushing this forward, and is just the foremost expert, like really, really knows her stuff. She's going to help our Olympians. Like she's worked with Olympians, and we're going to help in LA 2028. It's all about getting as many of us as possible to the Olympics in this sport. And then I want to say to Holly Anderson Laveau and about her, I did an interview with her. I'll put that link here too, where if you want to know more about the work she does to push forward women and young girls and what she believes that will do for the entire world, it can't be overstated. The impact that she has. So I'm gonna go now because I want you to watch this. And remember, it's Saturday and Sunday this weekend, August 10th and 11th. If you're watching this, go to the YouTube channel. I'm linking it below. Watch the stream. It's so much fun. The games are really fast and the points accumulate really fast. And then there's going to be a whole like semifinals on Sunday and finals on Sunday. It's happening so quickly. So you're going to get like an adrenaline rush from it. Figure out who your favorites are if you have favorites going into it. Check it out. Let me know in the comments if you're going to go check it out. And if you watch this long, I appreciate you.